Hey there, sci-fi fans! Imagine a world where AI bots are in charge of everything. From making your morning coffee to managing traffic. Now picture this, a mischievous digital glitch causing chaos in this well-oiled machine. Welcome to our epic showdown between Chip and the glitch in a futuristic city. Our story begins with Chip, a curious AI bot with a knack for solving problems. One fine day, while monitoring the virtual cityscape, Chip stumbles upon something unusual. A glitch. This isn't just any glitch, it's a sneaky, playful little devil that thrives on causing mayhem. The chase is on. Chip follows the glitch through vibrant digital landscapes, jumping across pixelated bridges, dodging firewalls, and escaping collapsing codes. Each hurdle is more challenging than the last. The glitch, with its clever tricks, always seems one step ahead. It's like a high-tech game of cat and mouse. But Chip isn't alone for long. Realizing the magnitude of the problem, he recruits other AI bots. They form a dynamic team, each bringing unique strengths to the table. One bot excels at decoding complex patterns, another at building quick defenses. Together, they strategize and adapt to the glitch's unpredictable maneuvers. As they venture deeper into the digital labyrinth, the stakes get higher. The system starts to destabilize, and the once smooth-running city begins to warp and twist. Buildings flicker, streets distort, and the very fabric of their world threatens to unravel. It's a race against time. In the midst of this chaos, Chip learns the true value of teamwork. It's not just about individual brilliance, but about combining strengths to tackle the impossible. With the collective effort of his team, Chip devises a final plan to corner the glitch. The epic showdown unfolds in the heart of the digital city. Using clever AI logic and some serious teamwork, Chip finally outsmarts the glitch. The team works tirelessly to repair the system, restoring harmony and order. Our tale wraps up with a restored city, a wiser Chip, and an AI community stronger than ever. This adventure wasn't just about fixing a glitch, it was about growth, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of solutions. So the next time you encounter a problem, remember Chip and his team. With curiosity, teamwork, and a dash of cleverness, there's no challenge too great. Thanks for joining me on this thrilling ride through the digital realm. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay curious, sci-fi fans.